Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining essentials and immediate action. Pick a small topic and grab 20-50 cards, or open an app and create 5 cards now. Make each card focus on one clear question and one concise answer so retrieval stays fast. Once done, sort cards into new and review piles and set a 25-30-minute timer. You'll learn why small, focused batches beat marathon sessions. They build momentum and reduce overwhelm, so begin with 5 strong cards. You now move into the detailed execution. Practice active recall by reading the prompt, answering aloud, then flipping the card. Don't peek. Make sure to schedule spaced reviews. Review new cards the next day, then after 3 days, then a week, adjusting intervals if you forget. Once comfortable, shuffle and interleave related topics so your brain learns to discriminate similar facts. This spacing plus varied practice produces durable memory rather than short-term familiarity. So keep strict timing and honest self-testing. You finish by consolidating mastery and handling setbacks. After each review, grade cards, move easy ones to longer intervals and keep hard ones in daily rotation. If a concept repeatedly fails, break it into simpler cards, add a mnemonic, or turn it into a diagram. Changing format often unlocks recall. Once done, run a quick mixed self-test of 10 random cards to confirm retention. If recall still stalls, switch media, write, speak, or sketch the answer to force a different memory path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.